My AC has been dripping into the RV again. I just figured out how to get to the squirrel cage. Out. This little plastic tray here, I was able to lift it out. Moved over the coils. You have to be very careful because they're connected down here. Oh man, now I can really give it a good cleaning. And there is a styrofoam thing that sits over the squirrel cage. And you can see the little indentation here. That's where this plastic tray goes into. Oh, this is so awesome. Now I can give it the cleaning that it really needs. So I have my wire brush, and I also have a baby bottle brush, a couple other types of brushes. So I'm going to get busy and give this a good deep cleaning. It is really dirty. I'm so glad I discovered that I could take all that apart, because trying to reach in that little hole of that styrofoam thing was not easy. Now I can actually clean off that styrofoam thing really well too. I brought a water hose up here, and I've stuffed towels to the openings that go into the RV. I am stoked. Okay, so I'm going to get to cleaning this with my brushes. I'll probably get some water in my bucket and really give that a good scrubbing. So I won't show that on video. I didn't bring up a tripod because I was really not planning on videoing this, because I didn't think it would get this in depth. And I've cleaned this before. I've shown you how to clean it before, but not like this. Actually, I see where it comes apart here, but I'm not going to go to that extreme. Knowing me, I might not get it back together and I might break something. I am getting a lot of dirt off of that squirrel cage. Oh my gosh, look how filthy that thing is. Wow. I'm using, I decided to dig out one of my little tiny flathead screwdrivers, and I'm just running it through here and just picking out the dirt. Let's find a dirty one. Here we go. Here's a dirty one. Look at that. That is a lot of dirt. Wow. Wow. So yeah, it's going to take me a little while, but I'm going to get this done. Holy cow. There, now that the sun has shifted, you can really see the dirt. That area, of course, I haven't cleaned up yet. And I went down and got a toothbrush and some cleaner to clean the coils with. So I'll continue on with this. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Just keep picking away at it. Oh boy, a lot of work. Always a train. I pretty much got that cleaned off. You can see all the dirt. Oh my gosh, that is so much dirt. So I'm going to pull this towel out, give it a good shake, and then wash this down. Not with a hose, because it goes open into there and I probably can't get water into here. Okay, I really got that cleaned up really nice and well. So I'm glad of that. I've got a fin tool that I will be using on this side, and then I'll pop that tray back in. I'm going to clean that tray, clean that styrofoam. There's the tray, there's the styrofoam. Clean it off, let everything dry, and clean those while everything's drying. Here is the inside of the styrofoam that the squirrel cage spins in. Wow. So yeah, I'm gonna hose that off. I can't Kind of like power washing. I didn't think I could do this and hold the camera, but I can. Okay, I'll continue. This little tool will also help straighten up these fins. I want to get the edges clean. There you go. See how it just straightens them right back up? That's a good thing. Okay, I'm going to put everything back together. So this goes, it's still a little bit damp, but I think that's okay. Okay, so I'm gonna have to get that over that. I have to put the camera down to do that. Okay, I just had to pull this a little bit further over, move the tape. I should have brought up more tape. Okay, get this thing situated back inside the frame here without damaging it. There we go. That looks good. That's awesome. Okay, awesome. That's awesome. Okie dokie. The tape's no good anymore, but that's okay. Okay, and then this plastic tray goes underneath here like so. This little ridge here goes into that ridge there on the styrofoam. That ridge right there. So I'm not going to be able to show that. I can't hold the camera and do that, but we'll get that down there. Got it all back together again. That tray just snapped back in place. Got it back in the proper section right here. So that's good. We are looking good. Okay, so I'm going to stuff my hole back up with a towel and clean this part with the cleaner. I've already hit it with the fin tool. Here comes the train. So I'm just going to spray some cleaner on it. That's cleaner. Yeah, it's a little bit rusted. That's okay. But it's cleaner. So I'll do the other side and then clean off these panels and put everything back together and call it a day. We're starting to lose some daylight here. And the track is nice and clean now. It is going out the drain holes like it's supposed to. I do have some roof stuff. I've got to do my roof pretty soon. She's nice and clean. I took the towel out. This AC was made in March 2014, and 2014 was when I had it installed because my old carrier bit the dust then. My throat is getting very dry, so let's get all this put back together, wipe those panels off, get them screwed back in, and call it a day. Clean off my roof. I'll hose off the roof when I'm done.